Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a poster in Canva. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Canva website right here at canva.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we need to go ahead and log into our account. So here in the upper right corner is going to be the sign in button that you can use. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the sections you can access. Here you can see all your projects and so on. So let's go ahead and see how you can get started with making a poster. So basically guys, there are two ways. The first one is to click the create design button right here in the upper right corner. So if you click create a design, this is going to open up an option of all the things that we can create. So as you can see, we can either import a new file if we want to go ahead and create it from an image, or we can go ahead and select the poster option right here. So as you can see here, we have the poster option. So after selecting poster, this is now going to open up a new tab where you can get started with editing your poster. So here you have the position, you can manage the templates, you can define new elements you want to add, text, your images, and so on, and you can get started creating it right here. Or if you already want to find a finished poster or somebody that made it, let's say poster for movie, let's say, use the search bar right here, search for poster, and as you can see, after searching it, it's going to give us a result of all the options that people have made on Canva. As you can see, here are a lot of posters that you can open up and use for yourself, add your own images, your own text that you can use for your poster, and then save it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.